Supplementary daily. Item number 1.
Page also. Charge sheet submitted under section 69, 51(3), 66(C), 67(A). The person is in custody since 25/7/2025 mail. Fact is that mail denial of marriage.
25/7.
25.
Yes.
I think that denial of marriage is the lodgment of this present FR matter. There
What
is
is
a
the age of the victim?
matter
22.
22.
Have you got the statement? 161, 180, 183 High Court. Both are in law.
Charge sheet submitted. Man,
That is not.
or the land council for the petition of land council station. Considering the submission by the land council for the petition. The petition is in judicial custody since 25/7/2025. And after going to the statement of the victim, which is about 22 years, recorded under section 103 of BNSS, and the medical examination and other documents. Are based by the land council for the state, and the output has been submitted in the meantime under section 69, 351 bracket 3, 66 of BNS and 66E and 67A of Information and Technology Act. After going to this one, which indicates that the petitioner and the victim were in love and they stayed together uh, in a lodge and were keeping physical relationship with each other and misunderstanding arose between them since the petition didn't give permission marriage. We trying to release the petition of table. The legal about the Land Council for the petition while the certified copy of the FIR charge sheet, statement of the victim, Jeff is.
Item 2.
Quoting system.
May I please, Your Lordship?
I mean, then that's a quoting system.
Have you got that number?
My lord.
You have not mentioned in the first title.
Subsequently, that was
Sure. What is the number?
see, but that's a
Giving me.
certified copy. Security sessions number 272 of
City number.
My lord, city sessions 272.
50 sessions है ना 272 of 25 good
Right.
training है
And the sessions, distant session that's all.
अच्छा लेकिन the land council proof for the land council for the petition submits that the case has been committed to the court of session in the meantime and sub judice in the court of law and sessions judge Hasuda in city bracket with sessions bracket and number 272 of 2025. Operating number 2 yes, yes, next.
Item 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Item 2.
My lord, I'm in VC, Your Lordship. My lord, POSCO is there, my lord. Notice
Item number
to.
2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
137(2)(3)(5) and POCSO, section 6 of POCSO.
Since one of the options is under section 6 of the usual order. Notice.
Oh, pleasure, Your Lordship.
Item 3.
Yes, POCSO. 12, 13, 15 POCSO.
10.
Item 4.
4 is also POCSO Act, 376 and POCSO.
Item 5.
85-108 of BNS, that is corresponding section of 306 and 498A of ICC.
You have not received case
No.
data. Land council for the state system time we produce case data as well as to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent against the petition. This matter. This is what before we assign it.
Item 6.
The double murder case. Your Lordship.
Case data available?
Yes.
All right, password put to the case.
Item 7.
6-7 POCSO. 238 of Ganja, CD would be
Okay.
238 kg. CD and C.
Criminal antecedent is next.
Item 8.
1005 of Ganja.
My lord, on behalf, please, on behalf of Rajiv Lochan Patnaik, may I seek for adjournment, my lord?
Yes, yes, adjourn. Next.
Item 9.
9 52A of Odisha Excise Act. Here, 3,800 liters of potsa and
1800 of ID liquor.
ID liquor, my lord. And
CD and CA.
final PR has been submitted on 7/11/2020.
What about the criminal antecedent?
No antecedent, I have mentioned in my petition, my lord.
But where is that final PR? The
Final
It
PR was
mentioned that
submitted on
it is-
7/11/2025.
you got any instruction to that
No.
effect? They get that it will come. Those in the rejection order, it is mentioned that investigation is under progress, but the Land Council for the petitioner submits that in the meantime, investigation has been completed and the final PR
Has been submitted on 7/11.
and you further submit that the petitioner has got no criminal activity.
No criminal. I have
Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain the case records out of this matter. Next week for the
my lord. If it is Passover, I will supply the.
no. First time it is submitted. Yes, next.
Item 10.
10 is POXO, Your Lordship.
Notice.
Item 11.
Item 10, my lord.
Notice item number 11. What is the offense here?
Offense is 126, 294, 51, 76, corresponding 354B, 78 to stocking. Assault or use of force to man with the intention to dislodge.
Have you got the case diary?
Yes, yes.
Pass over from next.
Item 12.
Purchase Act 2025 for commission of offence 420, 468 and 34 of IPC. Allegation is that my lord, cheating of 14 lakhs with an assurance to provide a railway job without examination money.
You deposit that amount, taken that money.
No, that three accused the front.
Three accused person, all allegations is in the present petitioner. He is the main thing.
As per allegation, the amount has
Good
been
money, he assured for job without examination, accepted the money.
Since when you are in duty custody,
25 Act 2025.
what about the investigation charge sheet
That sheet has been submitted.
submitted? So I am fixing that condition. I am granting bail also.
Criminal antecedent is there.
Yes, sir.
197.
Part of the Land Council for the Judicial Land Council for this bail. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/8/2025. And in the meantime, after completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted under section 420,
468,
534 of the Indian Penal Code. And after hearing the Land Council for the state who submitted that the cheating amount is rupees 14 lakhs and the petitioner has got one criminal antecedent. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall deposit the rupees 14 lakhs in the portfolio. So you fix deposit value, sir. Yes, allowed.
Item 13.
20 pursuing.
Pointer sketch.
अच्छा the CB or CA आने वाले.
I beg your pardon, my lord.
Item number. Yes, next.
Item 14.
My lord, in this case,
My
the
lord,
petition inside jail custody 23/9/2025 and 405 Exploration Act. ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ଅଫ କ୍ରାକର 40ଟା କୁମ୍ପି ଅଙ୍ଗାର କଳା ଅଙ୍ଗାର ଏଇସବୁ ସିଜଲା
Without permission, utilizing
ସେ ଲଗା ହେଇଛି
pattern others.
without any permission preparation of
क्षति चाहिए. कार की क्षति.
no
No, preparation is
Since when you are in custody,
23/9/2025
or the Land Council for the petition and Council for the state. Considering permission made by the Land Council for the petition, that the petition is in judicial custody since 23/9/2025. Charge sheet and investigation, sir.
no.
And investigation has made substantial progress. And hearing the Land Council for the state submitted that from the position of the petitioner, 41 numbers of fire crackers, matti, hudi, umpi, and other materials were seized and is trying to release the petitioner on allowed next.
Item 15.
Allowed
Yes. Item 15. Commercial quantity was it?
20 kg 300 grams.
CD or CRM. Next.
Item 16.
P07 506 394.
Down injury कौन है?
Injury there are severe injury, stab injury.
Food jar to लिखा है
Picture, which मतलब there are also 6 criminal antecedent pregnancy present.
You have got the case there?
Yes, yes.
So what is the condition of the imbue?
That has to be 2023 method that I said.
I see trial has commenced perhaps. That is on लिखा है on face out of the trial of the case.
8 জন examine.
Where is that deposition copy?
That
He has not filed. Land counsel for the state pointed out on the rejection order that out of 12 charges witnesses, 8 witnesses have been examined so far. Let the land counsel for the petitioner file the deposition copies of the witnesses, giving copies of the same to the land counsel for the state put of this matter. Next page. Land counsel for the state submit that he is having the case diary and further submit that the petitioner is having how many criminal?
six criminal.
Six criminal activity. The land counsel for the petitioner shall obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit. One week after good. So go tell comprehensive affidavit file करेंगे, है ना? और उटे होची deposition copy देवे, है ना? ठीक तो? आगे. Next.
Item 17.
It is under section 4(5) of Indian Exclusive Act minor, and the petition in custody since 25/9/2025. No criminal apprehension.
कौन मिल रहा आपको?
Some exclusive substance
Utilize
for making of
substances
bana
without
or
producing
propaganda.
any substance.
Chigar Kheti, order land counsel for the petition, land counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner giving judicial conference 25/9/2025 and hearing the land counsel for the state is submitted that from the position of the petitioner. Some explosive substances like potassium nitrate, ground powder, sulfur, charcoal, etc. were seized, which were kept for manufacturing the explosives. I'm inclined to release the illegally kept for preparation of the fire tracks, fire walls, in his dwelling house. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed next.
Item 18.
My pleasure. This allegation under section 108 BNS Lord. So petition is custody since 29/9/2025. The allegation is that the lady is a married lady since last 15 years and she has having 2 children, but thereafter last 1 year she has relationship with the present petitioner and fled away with the present petitioner residing in a rented house. But specific allegation last 18 days when the petitioner not coming, she commits suicide in that rented house. I draw that attention, the owner of the house of the that rented house मिलो. गत 5/9/2001 रामनगर ग्रामर
He abated the crime.
Abated means did not. The torture is there. Did not cooperate with the present the deceased.
No, the deceased is a married lady.
Both are.
He is having children.
Both are married.
Petitioner is also a married person. Then they kept relationship.
Relationship and the petitioner was took this deceased to a rented house, stayed there.
Okay.
Thereafter, he started torture.
He,
And
he did not come for some
fine.
days.
Lastly,
That is your submission. Because କିଛି ଦିନ ଧରି ଆସିଲାନି ଯେହେତୁ
ସେଇଟା allegation, but stayed together and
stayed together, that's right. ସଞ୍ଜୟ ମହାନ୍ତି ସକାଳୁ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ
Last statement ଘର ମାଲିକର
suicide by hanging herself.
Yes.
And you are in custody since when?
only allegation say torture
Custody since when na कहते?
custody since 29/9/2025
Are the Land Council for the Petition Land Council states considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/9/2020. Charge sheet है ना? And in the meantime, investigation has made substantial progress. And after going through the statements of the witnesses, you are having that case diary with you, produced by the Land Council for the state, and the postmortem report achieved.
Yeah, that is it.
And that the material available on record that the petitioner and the deceased both were married persons.
Yes.
And they were in love and they were staying together in a rented house.
in a rented
house. And the petitioner was also torturing the deceased. And that the deceased committed suicide by hanging herself. Hanging herself.
Blotting the road.
Blotting the door from inside. And it was open and detected by the villagers. And for the submission of the Land Council for the petitioner, that there is no material on record that the petitioner stated the commission of suicide of the deceased. I am inclined to release the petitioner.
The condition may not.
It over the way, he filed the certified copy of the FI and statements of the witnesses which are taken on record. The petitioner shall appear before the Land and Trial Court on each state, which the case shall be posted, and he shall not prior to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and until cancellation of the alloy.
Item 19.
Yeah, please. FIR registered under section 420, 406, 506 of IPC laws. Allegation looks like the present petitioner had taken cash of rupees 20 lakh for providing the flat. Later on, he could not provide the flat.
Not instead of providing it back to the present complainant, sell it to others.
Incident
After
of the year
accepting-
2019.
पैसा दियंती deposit କରନ୍ତୁ ବେଲେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ. If you have taken 20 lakhs, it will be deposited in court and it will be kept in fixed deposit. And if it is proved that yes, in fact, he has paid, then it will be given to him. Otherwise, it will be returned back with interest.
Yes.
Heard the Land and Council for the petition, Land Council for the state consider the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner. So the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/9/25. And Jasti Kela in 9 Chalchi.
Criminal antecedent.
Investigation has made substantial progress. And
It's as serious as
Charge sheet has been submitted under section
420, 406, 480.
420, 406, 506, 480 of IPC. And after hearing the Land Council for the and the submission of the Land Council for the state, that the petitioner is having 2 criminal antecedents.
Okay.
And in the present case, he has cheated the informant a sum of rupees 20 lakhs. With assurance to provide him a flat. And subsequently sold the flat to another person. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall deposit sum of rupees 20 lakhs in the court below. which will be kept in fixed deposit, so on to the what she said. That was the law. Yes, next.
Item 20.
May I please your lordship, my lord, order of Mr. S.C. Mahanti, my lord, permitted to withdraw, my lord. The presentation is
File a memo. The Land Council for the petition of files a memo for withdrawal of the bail application. Memo is taken on the bail application.
Item 21.
No, 64 of the 64 of the BNS. The case
I may be allowed to appear through VC, my lord.
When the yes. When the one of the petitioner lodged the case against the
My lord, I have been instructed, my lord. May I please your lordship? I have been instructed to appear on behalf of the informant, my lord.
Okay, have you filed your wakalatnama?
In course of the day, I will file, my lord.
Acha. Diptendu
Sundar Rai.
Diptendu Sundar Rai. Land Council submits that he has instruction to appear for the informant and he will file the wakalatnama during course of the day.
My lord.
During course of the day. Let a copy of the bail application be served on the Land Council for the informant. Stop. You have got the case diary?
No, case
The Land Council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary as well as the statement of the victim recorded under section so on, 62,001 and the medical examination report and obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedents, if any, agency petition. Put up those matter will task us. Yes, in case the petition of in case the informant counsel by to color number, the name reflected in the constitution. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 22.
May I please your lordship. My lordship, this is an offense under section 4.
Item 23.
The petition is the charge sheeted accused, my lord, basing upon the statement of the co-accused person. By the time the trial has already been completed and all the other accused persons from whose possession the ganja was recovered has been acquitted, my lord. The petitioner was alleged as the charge sheeted on the basis of the co-accused statement. He has no knowledge.
Have you got the case there?
It's CD levels.
Where is the judgment?
Photocopy against
Give a copy to the state councillors. Who are the co-accused person?
co-accused person.
Those who are apprehended at the spot.
My lord, those who are appearing on the spot.
They faced trial and got acquitted.
They have been acquitted. On this statement
ତା ନାଁ ଗୁଡା ଦେଖିଲା ଏମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଜବତ ହେଇଥିଲା କି ମିଷ୍ଟର ନାୟକ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ନାୟକ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଫେସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ପରା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହଁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପେଜ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀକାନ୍ତ ନାୟକ ଶେଖର ସୁମନ ବୀର ରାଧାକାନ୍ତ ନାୟକ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଭ ପନ୍ତ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଏଇ 4 ଜଣଙ୍କଠୁ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଜବତ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
This person is absconding since long. Thereafter,
no.
the NBW
is about that as it appears, yes, he is right. That this man's name finds place in the FIR.
Yes, in the name.
Because of that co-accused statement.
No, one Shekhar Suman Biro.
The name is also in the
name ଏମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ପିତାବ ସାମ ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ନା ସେ ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳେଇଲା
and their name is also in there and all are the riding the Bolero vehicle and thereafter they are absconding when the police has seized and there are 2 persons has absconded.
Please verify whether he was present at the scene of occurrence and on the approach of the police, he fled away, whereas the other persons were caught, or he was not at the spot, but on the basis of co-accused statement only he was apprehended. ଆମର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଥିବ ନା, ସେମାନେ କହିଥିବେ ଯେ what is the quantity of
210
210 and what about the criminal antecedent?
no antecedent
दोनों तो ଆପଣ ସିଏ କହିଲେ
sorry
So, but this case is this present petition is one antecedent is there 302.
302.
My lord. That is the other by PS case number 18 by 2017.
Take instruction about lekho. The Land Council for the petitioner, as a land council for the state, has studied the case diaries and on verification of the same submits that the petitioner has got one criminal antecedent for commission of offence under section 302 IPC. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner, on the other hand, submitted that the implication of the petitioner in the case is based on confessional statement of accused persons who faced trial. The Court of London Additional Session Judge come Special Judge Guntur in criminal trial number 29 of 2018, and they have been acquitted by judgment and order dated 14/8/2024. He has filed the judgment copy, giving copy of this sent to the London Council for the state. Stop. Let the matter be release this matter in the commencing from 8th of December 2025. In the meantime, the London Council for the petitioner shall obtain instruction regarding the status of the criminal case which is pending against him, and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect. Yeah, this is taken on record. Yes.
Item 24.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this is offence under section 64(1) of BNS, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the
document achieved.
One six four.
କେବେଠୁ କଷ୍ଟଡି ରହିଲାଣି?
Your Lordship, the informant is from
Since when you are in custody?
Your Lordship, 13/8/2025, Your Lordship.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yes, Your Lordship, on 19/9, Your Lordship.
13/8/2025.
2025.
What are the offences under which charge sheet submitted?
Your Lordship, 64(1).
What is the age of the victim?
Your Lordship, the victim is a major lady.
Lady.
Yes, Your
That
Lordship, major lady, and she is a married lady. Allegation is, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. So her husband was staying
The Bhubaneswar and
another lady,
yes, ma'am.
and he was staying with the petitioner for 1 year, and they on that day they had the Land Council for the. What is your good name, madam?
Jemima Sarkar, Your Lordship.
Give it in writing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 13/8/2025, and he has been charge sheeted under section 64(1) of the VNSL. And after going through the statement of the victim, recorded under section 180 as well as 183 of BNSs and the other materials available on record. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that the petitioner shall not try to come in contact with the victim or tamper with the evidence. He shall appear with the learning trial for the meal state to which the case be posted. Violation of any terms and conditions shall until cancellation. Yes.
Item 25.
21B, madam. The NDPS subject.
Huh?
21B,
No.
120 grams of charge sheet already submitted, ma'am. And the charge also framed, ma'am.
Charge sheet in the final PRA.
No, sorry, ma'am, final.
How the case ଅଛି?
No, madam. No case, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Naik.
My lord.
120 grams the
Branch
are the learning council for the petition learning council for the state. Considering the submission made by the learning council for the petition for 8725. The quantity of the brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And in the meantime, the completion of investigation, final PR has been submitted, and after reading the counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that which are not involved in the activity appear before the learning trial for three states. Using violation of any doubt and translation of the allowed placement.
Item 26.
There are two petitioners, my lord. In respect of no petitioner, two, my lord.
There are
Only-
commercial quantity, huh?
My lord, only 9 grams of brown sugar seized, my lord.
21 kg ganja, 9 gram brown
Schedule
sugar.
list, separate schedule list type of.
No, this ଆପଣଙ୍କର 21 କିଲୋ ଗଞ୍ଜା ଅଛି ପରା।
My lord, ସେଇଟା ଅଲଗା ମାନେ ହଉଚି କିନ୍ତୁ ୟା possession 9 grams.
ମାନେ ସିଜର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଛି।
Yes, my lord. It is given.
21 କିଲୋ ଗଞ୍ଜା ସେ ଆର ଲୋକଟା ଉଜବ ଅଛି। ଦିଟା ସିଜର ଲିଷ୍ଟ।
Did us.
21 total kilo, 21 kilo, excluding jury bag, and it a Jabothala place of seizure of C at the spot bypass road, others of Vidyalaya, from the council possession of ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
Someone 9 taking the more possession.
From the possession, no, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଉଜବ।
ମାନେ another.
He has 3 antecedent, another is 5
And
antecedent.
all of them have signed it. Now they're are the learning as the learning council for the you have got the case diary.
Yes, madam.
The learning council for the state has pointed out from the case diary that there are 3 criminal antecedents.
3, another is 5. That Gaurang is 5.
Just
Gaura is 3 and the
just a minute. Petitioner number 1, case Pradhan,
Mukesh 1 is 5 antecedent.
has got 5 criminal antecedents, and
Petitioner 2 is 3 antecedent.
Gagura from Bahadur has
Gaura Bahadur,
Kete,
3 antecedent.
3 criminal antecedents. The learning council for the petitioner takes some time to obtain instruction in respect of such antecedents and file a comprehensive affidavit. Put up this matter a week after we fully assign. Cheers.
Problem, man.
Item 27.
21B of the NDPS Act, my lord. 60 gram of codeine, 30 liter of cough syrup has been seized from a Bolero vehicle measure. Those who are fled from the spot, they have been granted a directed to surrender and go on bail. Or sit down to page 12, my lord, towards bottom, my lord.
So cough syrup is 30 liters. How can it be B?
That's mentioned
That
60
Hira Singh, you know, like they have
yeah.
mentioned it's all right. What about Hira Singh case?
Yes.
Put up this matter
Right.
after you have got the case diary.
Lots
No,
of
CD is not.
CD CDV obtained, CDCA. Next.
Before the assignment. That may be indicator, otherwise it is not.
The matter be listed after 1 week before the assigned bench. Yes, next.
Okay.
Item 28.
Offense mail 66, 67A of IT Act only, my lord. I have annexed the statement of the victim, my lord, page 14. Only allegations of WhatsApp को अश्लील message କରୁଥିଲା. Charge sheet also already submitted, my lord.
70,
67, 67A.
8 78 means stopping now.
Stucking.
Which means is yes, okay. What is that statement? Let us see.
Page 14, my lord. I have annexed.
Region the
Again, 67, 67A of IT. Charge sheet
20 words.
22 वर्ष. What is some criminal activity?
Your charge sheet. କେବେଠୁ ହେଲେଣି?
Possibly, my lord. 10/9/2025.
Hard the land council petitioner land council for this state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petition of the petitioner is in judicial custody since 10/9/2025, and he has been charged under section 67, 67A of Information Technology Act and 78 of BNS. Copy of the charge sheet is filed by the certified copy of the charge sheet is filed. Right. Copy of the charge sheet is filed by the land council for the petitioner and taken on record. And after going through the statement of the victim, which was at about 22 years, recorded under section 180 of the BNS, no? Yes, and after hearing the land council for the state and inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Yes. He shall not try to come in contact with the victim, appear before the trial court on Tuesday, shall not try to tamper with the evidence, violation of any transaction, shall enter cancellation of the allowance.
Item 29.
And please election. Offense under section 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. 37 gram of heroin has been seized from the petitioner as per custody since 17/9/25.
Case was from achieve.
One antecedent of 498A. my lord.
Or the land council for the petition and council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 17/9/25. The quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 37 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the land council for the state submitted that the petitioner has brought one criminal antecedent for commission of offense under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 30.
Second item.
29 to commercial quantity CO2.
Two different vehicles, separate occupants. तब मिसेकिरी गोटिए करके commercial quantity देखो. In my vehicle 9 kg 8 kg 9 kg 800 gram.
Have annexed the separate seizure certificate copy number page 15. In my second item, I have already annexed the certificate copy of the seizure list, separate seizure list.
The FIR also is admitted, so two different car and two different season. Don't go. Age 15. Age कितने? 15. Age 15 है लिखा है काट जबरदस्ती लिखा है एक ही पिटिशनर
First महिला डॉक्टर एलियास सुशांत कुमार दलई and रामराई हंस
हाँ तापर द्वितीयटा होची विश्वनाथ बेहरा विष्णु बेहरा विवेक ये जो देखुची एटला डॉक्टर एलियास सुशांत कुमार दलई माने प्रथमटा
9 केजी
द्वितीयटा होची रामराय हंसदा तार काई
That is section base 16 next.
नहीं रामराय हंसदा सी फाइल करची
second item
वो फास्ट बीएलएपी दी जण फाइल करले
दी जण
ओके এই আচ্ছা এই ଦି ଜଣଠୁ ଲେଟେଷ୍ଟ again এই ଦି ଜଣଠୁ ଜବତ ହେଲା 9 କିଲୋ 8 ଗ୍ରାମ
8 ଗ୍ରାମ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାପରେ
Page 16 ରେ ସେମାନେ ଚାରି ଜଣ 17 କିଲୋ 400
ଏଇ ଚାରି ଜଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାରରେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ
ହଁ
separate car
separate sir
ମାରୁତି ସୁଜୁକି ଏଡିଗା କାର ତାଙ୍କର ହେଲା 84207 ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ହେଲା କେତେ 7501
ग्रैंड विटारा कार ओडी 11AH
ସେଇଟା ହେଲା 17 କେଜି 400 ଗ୍ରାମ ଆପଣ criminal antecedent
ହଁ ସେ
third the learning council for the petitioner आगे लिखो BLPL लिखो गोटा 11,374 है ना प्रथम टा the petition the learning council for the petitioner Dr. alias Sushant Dalai na Dalil Dalai
DL
and Ramray Hansda submit that they are in judicial custody since February
24/9/25
24/9/2025 and further submission that from the car of the petitioners 9 kg 9.08 kg of ganja was seized which is lesser than commercial quantity and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable and further submits that the investigating officer has added the quantity of ganja from 2 cars and mixed it up to make it as a commercial quantity even though he has prepared a separate seizure list. And after hearing the land council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Now we come to that Vishwanath. Vishwanath Rahula, the car number है
Vishwanath there for Vishwanath
the car number ta de debe seizure list আছে second item রে আছে না
OD 05BA8423
the factory same আর হচ্ছে 17 কেজি 400 ହେଲା lesser than commercial quantity বাকিটা খেয়াল adding the quantity of ganja seized from another car falsely implicated 37 bar not applicable hearing this one so both are allowed second ରେ କଣ ଜଣେ ନା ବେଶୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଚାରି ଜଣ
ଓ ଯୋଉ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ 4 ଜଣ next
Item 31.
ନା ଗୁଡାକ ଶୁଣ this 31
I am the sub item
quantity କେତେ
quantity your lordship may kindly see your lordship may kindly see running page 13 20 kg 760 gram your lordship may schedule is available your lordship may kindly see the FIR itself
quantity I will not give yes
ପାଞ୍ଚ ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଚାରିଟା ବ୍ୟାଗ ରେ ସେପାରେଟ ସିଜର ଜାଗାରେ
it's all right CD and CA next before the
Item 32.
32
I mean, pardon your lordship, item 32, the present petitioner are from both districts, they are not outside the lordship.
item number 32
no that is my matter 52A of Orissa Exchange Act manner 120 liters of ideal liquor and the petitioner is in custody since 10/10/2025. 23 years young boy, my lord, no antecedent.
10/10/2025. Young boy is at about 23 years. Magistrate tribal office allowed. Next.
Item 33.
May I please your lordship? Lordship is a 4 and 17 of POCSO Act.
अच्छा फोक्सो notice is due.
Item 34.
Please, Lordship. Commission of rape on the victim who is 37 years old. The petitioner is 24 years. Not active.
Have you got that statement?
No, 161 statement is that.
And for the state, take some more time to obtain the statement of the victim recorded under section 183 of BNS. How medical exemption report achi? And so also the medical exemption report. Put up this matter the week after we put the assigned bench. Yes.
Item 35.
Offences are listed 109 of BNS along with other offences, and the petition is languishing in jail custody since 1st of September 2035. And there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner, and injuries are simple.
There is criminal antecedent. One criminal antecedent. Subject case number 443/17 is 12 Pushpa.
बाकी एथरे कोन केस डायरी पाइछंती. What are the who is the injured? What is his name?
Injured member Kanhu Naik.
What type of injury he has sustained?
Though
Simple in nature.
simple in nature, lacerated in
What is the weapon? Iron rod.
iron rod.
And you are in custody since
1/9/25.
1/9/25. चार्जशीट हेलानी.
Charges submitted with equation of
कौन ऑफेंस कौन सेउडा जोड़ा दिया है सब 126 to
charges submitted one point six two
अपन अंडरलाइन कोई पास ऑन कर दो चार्जशीट जो की लिखा है अंडरलाइन कर दियो. Or the land council for the petition or land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1/9/2025, and the injured Kanhu Naik has sustained simple injury, and in the meantime, in completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted under section 126(2) oblique 115(2) oblique 101(1) oblique 296 oblique 351(3) of PNS, and after hearing the land council for the state, who has produced the case diary and submitted that the petitioner has got one criminal antecedent, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that he shall appear before the Learning trial court on each date to which the case will be posted, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 36.
Six, my lord, there are two matters. I am in the sub-item number 2, my lord. My lord, here the offence alleged is under section 109. Okay.
अच्छी अपन कह रहे
No, case diary name, but here, if your lordship will kindly look at the FIR.
केस डायरी नहीं तो अपन पर कागज नहीं
No,
109
FIR रे मोर ना ही नहीं.
ये थिपो ता भीतर कौन थिपो लेखन
FIR रे मोर ना नहीं बोली सेटपे कहूची.
CD criminal antecedent injury report है ना.
Both the matter, both the
condition of the injury. हाँ. Health condition of the injury. Yes, next.
Item 37.
32 grams of brown sugar.
ये तो ना आती हो. Ashore, next.
Item 38.
Wait, let's see. This section 6 of the notice.
Okay, notice. notice system of yes. Let's see one of the offenses is
Item 39.
May I please? Offense under 20B 2 of NDPS 9 kg 500 grams.
9 kg
9 kg
वो लिखा है जी
9.
अच्छा you are custody since 13 10 20
20.
what is your good name
Amlan Panda, my lord.
लिखिन दियो कागज Lord Mr. Swanso, the considering the submission made by the land council for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 13 of the year purchase and the quantity of ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 9.500 kg, which is lesser than commercial quantity and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the land council for the state, I am inclined to relieve the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Appear before the land prior to on his date to which the case shall be posted. Violation of any terms and conditions. Equal cancellation of bail allowed. Next.
Item 40.
अच्छा आपनकर अछि कागज पत्र
I appear on the behalf of my senior Mr. Samvit Mahanti. I request for an adjournment on this matter.
अच्छा land council for the state submit that he is not having the case diary. What is your good name?
Parita Mishra.
Give it in writing. So and so appearing on behalf of Mr. Samvit Mahanti, 6 for an adjournment. Please this matter such and so a week after this. Yes, next.
Item 41.
May FIR mail initial register mail 64-2M 3512 of DNS mail. Read with mail 66E and 67A of IT Act.
Yes.
Charge sheet is submitted mail only 64-2M 3512 of
64-2
M.
How would
3512 of BL.
351 of the charge sheet.
Aye.
Upon cable president.
Custody mail 10/9/2025.
10/9/25. Victim raise कितने?
35.
Victim is 35.
Statement again.
Victim is a maid servant in the house of the
You are also threatening him and position for charge sheet alani.
Charge sheet submitted.
IT Act है 46 423
The land council for the petition, land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 10/9/2025. And after going through the statement of the victim, is it about
35
35 years, and statement of the victim recorded on 183 PNS.
first occurrence in the year 2023 the first occurrence in the year 2023
And the further fact that in the meantime, on completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted under section 64 QM and P51(2) of VNS. You see how the antecedent is, and that the petitioner has got no criminal antecedent. And after hearing the planning council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on the subject that he shall appear before the land and trial court on the state route to be posted. He shall not try to come in contact with the victim and tamper with the evidence, violation of any terms and conditions for the cancellation of bail. Return your please. Allowed.
Item 42.
Lordship, handling documents under section 318 subclause 4 and 3 of BNS, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is remanded in the present case, Lordship. Lordship, the informant Madhusudan Mali has categorically stated the present petitioner along with his son has duped to the tune of 15 lakhs from the present informant and 15 lakhs from Chaitanya Mali and 21 lakhs from Nakula Mali. The petitioner's son has received a tender for supply of 4 tourist bus, for which he has taken a loan from the present informant along with other people.
Alert, the petitioner has not furnished any document to show that he has obtained any tender to
But rejection.
No, but what is the total amount?
Total amount, my lord, in this case, Janotharu 15 lakhs, second person 15 lakhs.
ତିନିଟା ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ହେଇଛି
ତିନିଟା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍, second ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆଉ the case diary is not available.
You obtain and you also take instruction whether you are willing to deposit that amount, which will be kept in fixed deposit. The Land and Council for the state submits that he has not received the case diary, and further submits that in the present case the petitioner has stated to have cheated 3 persons, na?
3 persons.
For amount of rupees kete goda koi?
51 lakhs.
51 lakhs. The Land Council for the petitioner shall obtain instruction as to whether the petitioner is ready and willing to deposit the amount in question before the court below. Hala? I would have
Second item.
Separate affair.
62 lakhs.
1 week after. Tar kete amount?
62 lakhs.
62 lakhs, out of which 12 lakhs has already been paid.
Submits that 62 lakhs, the Land Council for the petitioner submit that out of 62 lakhs, 12 lakhs have already been paid.
Se katha FIR lekha hai nahi, FIR ke
just a minute. The shall obtain instruction whether he has to answer the refund to pay the money and also produce the documentary evidence to show that he has paid back rupees 12 lakhs, na?
Yes, sir.
12 lakhs to the informant. All right. 1 week after, with the condition, dita oja case to yes next. Ei dita na au case achi apon.
Ei dita.
Next.
Item 43.
Or offense or no?
Lordship, that
44.
42 and 43 are the same.
34.
No,
Item 44.
sir.
May I please refer? Offense 318.4, 319.2, 336.2, 336.3, 338, 342, 316.5, 296, 351.2, and 35 of BNS. Case of possession is present.
Sessions tribal offense కూడా.
The 3 sessions is magistrate. Magistrate offense.
38.
319 theater magistrate tribal. 318 also magistrate tribal. 336. 336 magistrate tribal. Then 338 magistrate tribal. Offering 316. 16 magistrate tribal. Then 340 magistrate tribal. 351 magistrate tribal. And 296. Magistrate tribal offense. ठीक है जहाँ कौन है allegation का
Case of possession present petitioner is man branch manager Axis Bank. An informant is a lawyer. Both are childhood friend matter. The alleged matter present petitioner induced the informant to invest money on gold auction of the bank matter. Actually, informant paid 26 lakhs 79,000. It is further alleged matter. It had returned some money to the informant. When informant asked for the rest money, it threatened with the consequences.
Money transfer is like
Yes, money transfer is
My lord, I am
totally
appearing for the informant, my lord. As I found, I have taken instruction from he is involved in as many as 8 cases of this year. All are of the similar nature.
ये अच्छी अपन पर है
And more than 1 crore rupees. He has treated.
Then the criminal antecedent, 4 criminal antecedent. But today I was talking with the IAC, some other case from different district. So that part I have to ask.
Yes. The Land Council for the जो आपण फाइल करछन मिस्टर पटनायक
My lord, my lord.
मत कॉपी टे दे थांतो
No, I have not filed the affidavit. Simply, I have filed the bill.
that is your वकालत नंबर
My lord.
ना रघु तो
मत कॉपी
Kasinath Patnaik and his associates have filed D-Nama for the huge informant informant which is taken on record. The name of the Land Council for the informant shall be reflected in the cause gift and chahood. Let a copy of the bail application be served on the Land Council for the informant by the Land Council for the petition submitted. No, Land Council for the informant has pointed out that there are as many as 8 criminal cases against the petitioner. However, the Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary which shows that the petitioner has got 4 criminal cases of 2 police station.
मंगलाबाग रे तीनटा कैंटनमेंट रे गोटे
3 are of Mangalabad police station and 1 is of Cantonment police station, and the investigation officer is also trying to ascertain the pendency of cases of the against the petitioner in other police stations, and some time may be granted for this matter will be commencing from 8th of December 2025.
In this case, the informant is a member of this bar. 26,79,000
decide the name of the Land Council for the petitioner, the informant be reflected in the qualifications. Yes.
Item 45.
May I please? So petitioner is in custody since 15/9/2025 in Lordship. Annexure 1 is the FIR. While petitioner was forwarded, one offense over section 109 of BNSS along with the other offences of the FIR was being added and the petitioner was forwarded.
Who is the injured in this case? Injured na kono?
Injured as per the FIR, your Lordship, injured that the wife of the informant Rangamani.
What is his name? Rangamani.
Rangamani. The injury report.
And the petitioner has
Simple.
5 criminal antecedents.
So what is your comprehensive affidavit, sir? Yes, that is mentioned also in
The rejection order, it has been mentioned.
it is highly comprehensive affidavit. Left only the Land Council for the state has pointed out from the rejection order, CDP.
No, CDP.
Submit that he has received the case diary and which indicates that the petitioner has got 5 criminal antecedents. Land Council for the petitioner seeks time to obtain instructions relating to the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect. List this matter will be commencing from 8th of December 2025 before the assigned time. Yes.
Item 46.
Yes. But then the allegation is that the villagers, they were protesting against the arrest of one of their co-villagers for the opposing land acquisition of that particular. Now the case was registered under section 190, 191, 109, 121, 132, 296 and non-valuable offences are 121.
Who are the injured person? How many injured?
No injured. They say that one of the co-villagers, they have been opposing the mining operation of that Vedant area in the Raigada Hills Miller. Now one of the co-villagers were arrested. So they were protesting from different villages, men, women, all many people, they come and arrested.
My lord,
In the process of shuffle,
petitioner number 1 has 9 criminal incidents, 2 has 7 criminal incidents, and
all the case
petitioner. Land Council for just a minute. Land Council for the state has pointed out from the case diary that the petitioner number 1, Ramakanta Naik, has got 9 criminal antecedents. Petitioner number 2, Ranjani Kedai alias so and so has got
7 criminal antecedents.
And petitioner number 3, Sundar Singh Majhi,
5 criminal antecedents.
has got 5 criminal antecedents. Let the Land Council for the petitioner obtain instruction relating to the status of the case and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect. 8/12/2025 before the assigned benches. Next.
One thing your lordship may refer.
Item number 47. Next.
47.
In all the cases, they were.
Yes, item 47.
My lord, the petitioner is in custody since 18/10/2025. The offense.
The EOW case, my lord, I have not received the case diary.
The Land Council for the state submitted that EOW is investigating the offense and he has not received the case diary. The matter may be taken up some other day. 8/12/2025 assigned bench. Next.
Item 48.
May I please the lordship of offense under section 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. Accused in custody since 17/9/25, my lord. Contraband heroin has been 67. One criminal
custody.
Criminal antecedent, my lord, I have not verified.
On 17/9/2025, quantity is 67 grams of brown sugar, lesser than commercial quantity, bar under section 37 not applicable. Hearing the Land Council for the state allowed. Next.
Item 49.
Offense under section 100 clause 1, 109 clause 1 of PNS and
yes. Well, 302.
302. May prefer next to any other thing.
Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Land Council for the petitioner 6 for an adjournment. 8/12/2025 before assigned bench. Yes, next.
Item 50.
Lordship, offenses that of 380. The co-appeals bail application is 12,420. So the case will be tagged along with that image.
The Land Council for the petitioner submits that similarly situated co-accused who earlier approached this court on whose bail application is BLAPL number
12,420.
now looking the
Okay.
that has been disposed of.
Your lordship, that is.
And the same may be tagged to this file.
It
You
will
have got
not
the case diary?
No, I will obtain the case diary.
The Land Council for the state seek some time to obtain the case diaries, so also the criminal antecedent. List this matter 8/12/2025 before assigned bench. Next. अच्छा ये 500 बता
Pass over item number 6.
Pardon, item 6, 498 306. I have, when I came, my lord, already matter has gone. So that may be taken over.
Item number 6. अच्छा, nobody is appearing.
5.
6 व्यक्ति ना थी
5
5 रे case diary नहीं
नहीं ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ତ ଦେଇଦିଅ the learning council non appears ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ and that is 6 and learning council for the state is having the case diary adjourned है ना next one a see 8 ରେ ରଖିଦେବେ ହଁ before the assigned batch next
ମୋର 5 ଟା ତାହେଲେ ସେ non appear
ଟା କାଟିଦେବେ 5 ଟା ହେଲା next
Item 11.
before assignment.
yes next please your lordship 11 right yeah
The allegation against the petitioner is 126 surplus to 296, 351 surplus to 76 and 78 surplus to of BNS.
मेरा अच्छी case diary ଅଛି
My lord, case diary is
item number 11
My lord, case diary is there.
wait let him see though
No.
CD would be. CD is not there, CD would be.
it is not there adjourned part next item 11 huh 8 12 20 25 next
Item 37.
32 grams of were found from the possession of the petitioner. The absent submitted and even charge has been framed, your lordship.
custody period
19/9/2025.
19/9/2025 quantity is कितने
32 grams.
32 32 तो
Yes.
32 grams of brown sugar lesser than commercial quantity completion of investigation final PR is submitted after hearing the land council for the state well application is allowed appear before the land and trial court on each date yes next
Item 15 मिला possible. Item 15 मिला.
कौन एटा रखी दोनों कौन सी
15.
Item 51.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, application for cancellation of bail. There is a direction to submit the show cause.
yes is it ready with give him a copy
So cause regarding I am not filed this cause, but I am orally submit with
Yes.
lordship's permission.
so you have flouted the terms and condition
My
and
lord,
the charge sheet has been filed also
my
so
lord,
that shows that you are misutilizing the liberty
my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, charge sheet has not been filed today, my
no
lord.
no yes
The charge sheet
has
is
been
filed
filed
in,
long back, your
my
lordship.
lord, in respect of the previous affair, my lord.
no this case you see I have mentioned in the order that is Jajpur PS case number 23 of 2025 that was instituted because you flouted the terms and condition
My lord.
and in that case charge sheet has been submitted against Deepak Kumar Jena means this opposite party number 2
My lord.
under section 351 2 and 296 how many
My lord,
cases you have got
No, my lord, after this affair, my lord, initially the accused, informant lodged an affair against the petitioner, my lord. Thereafter, he filed another affair against the
ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବେଲରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରେ ବେଲରେ ଗଲା ପରେ
My-
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧମକା ଧମକି କଲେ
my lord. That is the
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଲା
my lord.
ସେଇ ଏଫଆଇଆର ର ସତ୍ୟତା ଉପରେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ଜାରି ହେଲା ଚାଲିଲା ଏବଂ ତା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ସବମିଟ
My
ହେଲା
lord, as per my instruction, no charge sheet is
Mr.
filed.
Counsel, he has already filed. You are not filing any counter. You are not filing any objection. Now you are misutilizing the liberty. So why bail will not be cancelled?
My lord, with lordship's permission, my lord, can I take further time, my lord, whether
No,
for Monday, my
you
lord.
have taken already number
My
of
lord,
adjournment.
My lord, that
And
is,
this matter,
that is I am
you see
extremely-
the today we are will be order number 7. Aji 7 number order lekha habo.
My lord, I am sorry to say, my lord. Okay.
And your name was appearing. You did not appear. And on some occasion, that is how
That is my
Since
mistake.
it's a paid cancellation matter, that is why I was adjourning the matter.
That is mistake, my lord. If
Get
your
it,
lordship kindly say-
again, it will come on Friday. You get the file the objection.
Objection, my
Mr. Sukant Kumar Naik, Land Council appearing for the opposite party, number 2, submits that the matter may be taken up next week, so that he will file the counter objection to the CRLMA application and serving copy and the Land Council for the petitioner. List this matter when I'm sitting single golden. Yes, next.
Item 52.
Please.
Well, it's against the your lordship was pleased to allow the bail application of the Millards.
What is the CRLMA?
Please, Millards.
Cancel.
For cancellation of the bail, Millards, granted by this court, Millards. That was
Where is
ordered.
the bail order?
Please, Millards. That is page number 57, Millards.
You was directed to be released on bail, 50,000 to surety. Yes.
Please, Millards.
So why bail will be cancelled? On what?
Millards, he is the one of the brother out of the four brothers implicated under section 319 by the Sessions Court, Ganjam.
Why the bail will be cancelled? I have granted bail. If you want to challenge it, go to the Supreme Court.
We challenge in that case, Bishwanath Patra case, one of the brother Millards.
What is the ground of cancellation? Tell us.
Ground of challenge is Millards, since one of the brothers similarly situated, his bail application has been set aside.
Any other ground?
And your lordship may please see, please come to.
Where is your ground?
Millards, just I'm showing, Millards. Page number 49, kindly, Millards. Page number 49 of the FIR, Millards.
Yeah. I will not go through the FIR. Bail has been granted. What is the ground of cancellation?
Ground of, because you are teasing Millards in the market, Millards.
So that is the bail has been granted. Those have been considered and bail has been granted.
In similar case, Millards, one of the brother bail has been cancelled by the Supreme Court, Millards.
After going through the hearing this also, and I do not find any merits in this application, stands dismissed. Yes, next.
Please. 53.
53 last 5 occasions, your lordship had directed the State Council to obtain the instruction. The last order is 21/11/25. Order number 10, your lordship.
My lord directed both the parties to take steps for early listing of the writ appeal, my lord. My lord, in spite of several memos, the case not listed, only listed twice.
Another day, the Swansea, jaha order fila, say kar degi nahi. Lekin, I would have date date, but keep it in January. January 2026. Yes.